recording. What's good, YouTube? We just got pulled over. I don't know why. I wasn't speeding enough. Where's my registration at? We just got pulled over. Shit, let's see what I got pulled over for. I know that I didn't update my stickers yet, but I paid the registration, so, and I wasn't speeding. Speed limit was 45, I'm going like 50. What's up, man? How you doing?
9 those tags.
Stand by. Trooper Maryland State Police badge number 7840. You audibly and visually recorded. The reason for the stop because you're going 63 on the 45. You realize that?
I was going 63.
Yeah, 63 on the 45. Can I see your license registration?
Yeah. I'm in the right lane. It's 2 o'clock. Just got off work. I don't know why bro came up to my car looking like that. He's looking kind of scared for some reason. I don't know. I don't have nothing. Got my seatbelt on. Got my wallet right here. Hey, look. Y'all see it's night outside, right? It's 2 a.m. Why is that highway? A highway is 45, right? Low-key, I should have dipped off on him. But you know, I'm a good citizen. You know what I'm saying? Come back.
All right. This is your license registration. Brought you by the state police. You can read at your own time.
Okay.
This is a warning for today, okay? There's no points, no fine associated to this. Slow down, okay?
Okay, thank
Check
you.
the speed limit and don't go too far above, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, you're free to go.
Thank you. Have a nice night. Luckily, we only got a warning going 60 on a 45 on a main highway. He's just fishing. That's all. I'm not doing nothing wrong. Wasting time, bro. What's up, YouTube? Right now, I sprayed Goo Gone on my windshield, and I'm scraping all the goo and adhesive, the old adhesive I have had on this car for about a year. I'm not gonna hold you, since I had to go to court to take off my windshield tint. If y'all been around for that long, bruh, let me know in the comment section, bruh. And it's coming off pretty nicely, so. All right, guys, here's the windshield. Yeah, this joint clean now. If y'all know, y'all watch my videos, or my shorts, y'all already seen that my windshield was buns cakes. Buns, boys. I'm gonna see if I could do a before picture for y'all and then the after. You know what I'm saying? Hey, YouTube, look at this non-street legal car right here. You hear it popping? Oh my God, look at that. This is insane. That joint insane.
Yeah, this that getting money music. If you getting money, hold your bankroll or get jiggy to it. Pop up back the cut and hit that Draco to that fucker click. Bitch, it turn me off, it turn me on, I hear my cutter split. I been on some other shit, drop back. I heard art hoes like the drop dots. Lil' hoe on some art shit, I'ma get that thigh pop. Rap niggas got undercover pressure, but I ain't saying nothing. Told Lil' Twin he see something crazy, shoot it to his hand on. I done turn my mans up. If you ever see the 100,000 niggas stand up. Drop a dog, niggas go kill him. Lil' Twin put him in the blizzard. Had niggas thinking I was friendly, got more cheese than all these niggas. I got F's when I was in school, so I dropped G's on all these niggas. Gave him everything, lost faith in me, went Jesus on the nigga. He was loafing, pepperoni, pop, box, Caesar's pizza. Nike ski mask, Under Armour gloves, I might drill in the D. This that getting money music. Also knock them off if niggas play loose. On my player shit got.
I'm about to do the quiet start right now. Watch what happens when I open up there. Oh yeah. And there's like a gate right here. I was hearing like noises and I thought the gate closed on me. And I think this is the only way in and out. That would have been bad. But you know, we blacked out. We got dip. Not about to do anything stupid today. No, yes, I would love to spin my car right there, but I'm gonna save that spot. And that was pretty loud. Y'all heard that echo. And it's wet outside, so it's no nothing. So I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Ooh, I need some water. Reflip the lights back on. And then with my remote device, right, I gotta press it twice. Now my plate is open. I know y'all hear the car like rumbling. Let me switch the color. What color? I can change the gauge's color. And I can also make my own color. I just gotta play with the little numbers and shit. You know, this is white right here, green, purple, blue. Yo, I'm just cruising. The Mustang actually does good in the rain. As long as you don't just press on the gas and acting like you're out racing or something. Like, straight, bro, even with my tires. And I got traction control. The traction control is good.